community, how are you guys doing on this beautiful Sunday? Happy Father's Day to all you amazing fathers out there. You guys probably won't see this video until maybe sometime during the week, but I'm actually outside getting ready to harvest my potatoes because the foliage have died back. I'm not sure what they're gonna look like, but I started digging through and I did see some that was potentially ready. So let's take a look and get these potatoes harvested. Actually just did my first harvest of the season on today. I ended up harvesting some of my potatoes because the foliage had died back, and I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and just see what they're looking like. I did two 15-gallon grow bags of red skin potatoes, so I'm going to show you guys what they're looking like, and then I'm going to take you guys on the journey with me of how I clean them, and then I'm going to prepare them for dinner on today. So this is about the size of the potatoes that I ended up getting, harvesting, and then this is all of the potatoes that I ended up harvesting on today. So let's go ahead and get them washed up. say that one of the beautiful things about growing your own food and having your own garden is that you don't have to worry about like what's sprayed on your produce and your vegetables and your fruits and stuff. You don't have to worry about what kind of fertilizer was used, because you know. So as I was cleaning my potatoes to prepare them for our dinner this evening, I just got an amazing feeling, a sense of like joy, a sense of humbleness, a sense of like security, and knowing that all I really need to cleanse my produce, so to speak, is just water, right? It's just washing the dirt off of it so that I can prepare it for my family, and I don't have the fear or the worry of like, oh my God, what kind of pesticides was sprayed on it, what kind of chemicals was used around it, what kind of fertilizer. Like, I already know all of that. So I got a sense of true peace in knowing that water is all it's going to take to rinse the dirt off of it, to cleanse the potatoes as I get ready to prepare them for dinner. So I just wanted to share that piece with you. Gardening, it just gives you so many beautiful blessings, especially if you just stop to think about it and really look at all the blessings that a garden gives to you and your family. So let's continue to prepare these potatoes. It is much later in the day, but I want to show you guys what's been going on with the potatoes. So earlier today, you guys see me cleaning them. I cut them and put them in some water. They've just been soaking the last few hours. So now I'm actually getting ready to get them seasoned and put them on the grill. Let's take a look. So here we go. They've just been sitting in some water this whole time. So I'm actually getting ready to pour the water off of them and get them seasoned. So let's go ahead. I do like roasted potatoes or anything with the recipe potatoes. I usually like to do the Goya adobe seasoning. I always use turmeric in every single thing that I'm cooking. Turmeric is great for inflammation within the body, reducing that. So I love using turmeric. I'm going to be adding some chopped chives. I don't have any fresh chives just yet, so I'll be doing the dried, and then I'll be doing some Italian seasoning as well. So I'm going to add all this in and then show you guys what it's looking like. Okay, so I just took a bowl and I lined it with some aluminum foil just so you guys can see real fast. There goes my bowl. And I lined it with some aluminum foil because I'm going to go put the potatoes on the grill. So I'm going to just go ahead and dump my potatoes inside of there like so. And then we're going to add some butter. Alright, so I'm not typically one who likes to use a lot of butter, salt, when it comes to cooking, but I didn't have any of the olive oil that I typically use when I'm doing my roasted potatoes, so I just put some of the butter on there just for added flavor and to keep everything nice and moist as it's cooking out on the grill. So I'm going to go ahead and get that wrapped up and we're going to go add it to the grill. Alright, y'all, they looking good. Not ready just yet, but they getting there. Potatoes harvested right from the BOFE Gardens. I grew them in grow bags.